Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix crashing or the not launching issues in the One Piece Odyssey. So I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So our first method is that you need to clear the cache of your PC or console. For this you have to just open your Runbox by pressing Window plus R at once. And then search here for temp and then click OK. So once you open it, you will find a lot of the files and the folders. Here you have to just select all and then right click and then click on the delete. Once you're done, you have to just close this window. Again open your run box and now search here for percentage temp percentage and then click OK. And yes, you will be here. You have to just select all of these folders and the files and then delete them. Don't worry, these all are the junk files. These are not essential. If some files or the folders are not deleting, then you have to just leave them and move to the next step. And in the next step, you just need to restart your game and your problem will be fixed. So here, just moving to the second step, you have to just right click on your Windows icon and then click on the device manager. And after opening the device manager, you have to just click on the display adapters and just expand this option. And then you have to just right click on your graphic cards and then click on the update driver. And now click on the search automatically for drivers and let it to complete this process. So after completing, you can see that my driver has been already installed and updated. So you must need to update your graphic card drivers, and doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed by restarting your game. Now moving to our third and the most effective method, you just need to right click on the taskbar and then click on the task manager. So basically you just need to close all of the background applications that are running while running your game and causing this type of the errors in your game. So just right click on the application and then click on the end task. So you just need to repeat this process for all the background applications, and then after completing this process, restart your game and your problem will be fixed. Our fourth method is to verify the integrity of the game files. For this, you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on your game and then click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game files. After completing this process, you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fifth method, you have to just open your system settings and in the settings just click on the update and the security and then checking for the Windows update. If any update is available, then you have to just update your Windows. After completing this process, click on the Windows security, click on the virus and the threat protection, and after opening this you have to just click on the quick scan and let it complete this process. So after completing this process, you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our last method, you have to just uninstall your game and reinstall it, and this is the final solution to solve this error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.